From foundational concepts to real-world application, discover the power of AI and transform your future.
Artificial intelligence is changing how people work, create, and solve problems. But for most people, it still feels overwhelming. Too many tools, too much noise, and no clear place to start. The biggest problem is not lack of tools. It is confusion. When everything feels important, it becomes hard to know what actually matters. And that stops people from taking action. This course takes a different approach. Instead of chasing tools, you will focus on the fundamentals that actually drive results and build real skills step by step. You will learn how AI works, how to write better prompts, how to build workflows, and how to use AI as a thinking partner to solve real problems faster. This course is designed for action. Every lesson includes a complete workbook, so you are not just watching, you are practicing, applying, and building real capability. Inside each workbook, you will find exercises, reflection prompts, AI-assisted learning prompts, and quiz questions that reinforce what you learn and help you apply it immediately. By the end of this course, you will be able to write better prompts, build workflows, evaluate AI outputs, and apply AI to real problems that matter to you. You do not need a technical background to succeed. You just need a willingness to learn, practice, and apply what you see step by step. This is not just about learning a tool. It is about gaining leverage so you can work faster, think better, create more, and take on bigger challenges. The most important step is to take action. Start small, apply what you learn, and improve a little each day. That is how real skill is built. If you are ready to stop watching from the sidelines and start using AI with confidence, this course will show you how. Let us get started.